Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Tinder app when it's not working properly. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your device settings. This is where you can manage all the apps installed on your phone and troubleshoot any issues they might be experiencing. Once you're in settings, look for the option labeled Apps and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the applications currently installed on your device. Now scroll through the list until you find Tinder and tap on it. This will open up the app info page where you can see details about the app and access various troubleshooting options. The app info page is your central hub for managing how Tinder operates on your device. The first thing you want to try is forcing the app to stop completely. Look for the button that says Force Stop and tap on it. This action will immediately close the app and end all its background processes. Sometimes apps get stuck in a loop or encounter temporary glitches, and forcing them to stop can reset their state and resolve the issue. Give this a moment to take effect, then try opening Tinder again to see if it's working properly now. If the app is still not working after forcing it to stop, don't worry, there's another solution you can try. Go back to the Tinder app info page, and this time look for the option that says Storage and Cache and tap on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage the temporary files and data that Tinder stores on your device. On this screen, you'll see an option to clear cache. Tap on it to remove all the temporary files that Tinder has accumulated. The cache is where the app stores things like images and data to help it load faster, but sometimes this cache data can become corrupted and cause the app to malfunction. Clearing it forces the app to start fresh without losing your login information or matches. Now, if clearing the cache still doesn't solve the problem, you have one more option available. You'll need to clear the app's storage completely. On the same storage and cache screen, tap on Clear Storage. A confirmation message will appear asking you to verify this action. Go ahead and tap Delete to confirm. Keep in mind that this step will reset the app entirely, which means you'll need to log back in with your credentials, but it's the most thorough way to fix persistent issues with the app. And that's it. You've now gone through all the main troubleshooting steps to fix Tinder when it's not working properly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.